Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Out here at Squirrel Park, y'all. Bunch of squirrels over there running around everywhere actually. But beautiful day, beautiful morning. I'm out here for a quick morning fix. Haven't been out here in a little while to fly, and this time I got something kind of unique, I guess. Still kind of unique. This thing is an RC hoverbike drone. Found this guy on Amazon, and I gotta admit, when I first got this thing, curious squirrel, he coming over here to see what the heck is going on. What's up, squirrel? He like, you got anything for me? Well, maybe he's interested in this drone right here. But this is a RC hoverbike drone, and I got this on Amazon. Initially, when I bought this thing, I thought it was a small drone. I have a drone similar to this with a little guy riding it, and my kids broke the arm off of it. My kids are, I'm constantly trying to hide these little drones with riders on them from my kids, because they like to take the figures off them and play with them, and they often end up breaking the arms and stuff. And so my little ones broke the arm on the other one I had. I went looking for a small one. I never saw a large one like this actually, and so I got this from Amazon expecting it to be small. Was surprised about it being big, and I was thinking that I was going to end up sending it back, but I'm thinking I'm really going to keep this guy regardless to how it flies, because it's big enough for me to put one of my boards in there and make it fly the way I want it to fly. So excited about that. Happy that this guy is larger. And I'm thinking it's made by UDI. Maybe it's on that protocol or something. I'll be able to fly with deviation, who knows. But it comes with this UDI style controller here. It has 3 speeds, and I think this is a flip button, but I never got to test it out because when I was trying to perform the flips, the battery was too low, so it wouldn't allow me to flip. And it looks like we have auto takeoff and landing here. We have a light switch there, and these are trims, I guess, for the yaw, trims for up and down, left and right. So looks like it doesn't have headless mode on there. I don't really like headless mode anyhow. But let's get this guy up in the air and check it out, y'all. So a little button on the bottom here to turn it on and off switch on the transmitter, up and down on the transmitter. So we're gonna try that auto takeoff button. It's in low rate, barely enough to do anything. I'm full forward and it's not going anywhere. Second rate, we're able to crawl forward. So it's too windy for me to really show you all the rates, I guess. This is the second rate here. Let's look at yaw. Slow yaw. We're in third rate, y'all. So this is the third rate. Still not a whole lot of pitch, but it's enough to fight this wind here. Gotta say, this thing looks awesome. The props are fully protected, fully enclosed in this little cage it has on it. And the little rider looks awesome on it, y'all. It does have altitude hold. I ain't mad at it though. So let's try the flip button before this guy runs out of juice. Okay, so it flips to the side. Let's see if it flips forward. Nope, no forward flip. It doesn't appear to flip forward. Let's see backwards. No backwards flips. So it only flips to the side. Rarely do these things ever flip forward or backward. I did have a rider in this prop configuration that did flip forward though. But the ones that are bike riders usually only flip to the side. And it's a little too much wind for it. Too much wind to really enjoy it, to fly it in whatever direction I want to, but I can get this guy going when the wind lightens up on me. Check it out. I don't know why I'm a sucker for these drones with the little figures on them, flying it and stuff. My favorite is the little one from Air Hogs. The hoverboard guy. I can't remember the name of it. I wish they would make a larger one of those. Oops. And so we know that as soon as this thing does have impact protection, where it turns off automatically once you get a little bump or anything. And I didn't know that this guy comes off of it, so the little rider does come off. He's just sitting up on there. Let's try to take off again. We're gonna do a manual takeoff this time. You can just press up on the left stick and go up. Oh, he flew right through the trees, y'all. With no problem. I guess because of this enclosed design here and the point on it, it just knifed right through there, speared right through the leaves and whatnot. That was pretty awesome. I don't want to try it again because I don't want to get this guy stuck in the tree. Let's try one more flip. Oh, it's not going to flip now. I guess it's at LVC. It's at the point where it's not going to let me do any flips anymore. Or am I pressing the wrong button? Let's see. Nope, it's not going to let me do any flips. It flashes when I try to do the flips now. Yep, that's what it was doing to me when the battery was low and I had it indoors testing it. It feels like it's getting a little weak. Awesome little flyer. I think this one would be ideal for a kid too. Beginners and kids. Does have lights on it. It has a red set of lights in the rear and white in the front. I like that. Oh, getting weak. Is it trying to go down on me? It's flashing. It's about to try to land. Let me bring it in and try to land it in my hand. Oh, it's trying to go away from me. The wind's taking it. There we go. So that's a good feature, that as soon as it detects an impact, the motors immediately turn off, so you can do hand catches and everything with it, no problem. The RC Hoverbike drone on Amazon. I like it. Thanks for watching.